Hey everyone, Coach Kalu here. So I've been thinking, I've been reaching out to a lot of my clients and past clients and people in the industry, in blue collar trades and organization, and I've been asking them some questions. Two main questions I asked them is one, how they're doing. So I checked in with them to find out, is there something that they're currently struggling with? And two, I asked them how I can help. At this point right now, everyone who's a helper should be helping if you can. I get that for some people, they're not in a capacity, so don't feel any way if you're not able to help. But because I'm in a position where I can be helpful, I wanted to help. And so it led me, based on their answers, it led me to think about another question, such as if I actually did a webinar or program to reach other people who are in your situation, what would that look like? Lots of information. And what I realized from looking at all the data, just talking to these clients and these people, is that no one really knows what they need. No one really knows what type of help they're looking for. And so I want to create a program that is going to be 100% free. I'm really serious. It's going to be free. At least for now. I've got to be honest with you. At least for now, it's going to be free for at least the next 30 days. Maybe it's twice a week for 60 to 90 minutes. You can get on a call, a webinar with me, and it's going to be open to everyone across Canada or North America or the world, wherever you're at. Maybe the first 50 people can get on this webinar, and it's going to be facilitated. I'm going to have key areas to talk about just with some of the feedback I received, and create a Q&A so you could ask questions, do some live coaching, have some videos and stuff there, just to really figure out what it is that you guys need help with. And again, I don't have it all. I do have a creative team right now currently working on the information I gave them, so we're still putting it together. So that's where you come in. You can leave me some suggestions maybe below in the comments, or DM me, or however, just let me know what are some categories or topics or ideas that you have that you think a coach like me could help you with. What's the format? What's the timing? What would that look like for you? And like I said, maybe over the next 3 to 4 weeks, twice a week, we get on this webinar and really kind of make it facilitated and create some content for you and ask some questions for you and be able for me to respond. I do want to help, and if you want to contribute to this, let me know. This is yet another idea that everybody else is doing. Hey, the more people that can help you, the better. Here's an opportunity for you to think about this. What are you going to do when this is all said and done? Weeks, months, don't know, but would you be ready for your business? Are you in a position, are you taking this time to get those things done, get those things that you wanted to get done that you didn't have time for, now that you do? Are you working on that mindset, or is it getting distracted with fear and worry and those things that's not going to let you take actions that's going to lead to your success, right? The mindset, the action, success, that's really the formula, right? Keeping it really simple. Here's where I can help, and there's other people out there that can help. Utilize that. Be in a position that you're going to be ready at the end of this to help your business. I sometimes say, you know what, at this point, go down with holding on to every single branch on your way down. Let them evict you out of your building. Let them close down your shop. Let people quit. Let people stop calling you. Whatever it is, go down fighting for your business and fighting for everything that you put into it. So now's the time to learn and to do something with the information. Don't just say you're going to read a book and take all these other things in. Now's the time to get what you need, so that way you can create a plan for post-COVID-19. What is your post-COVID-19 strategy? That's what I want to help you with. So anyway, sorry, this went on way too long than I wanted to. I just really wanted to get your feedback. Is this a good idea? Would you be encouraged to do that? Do you know anyone in your network that this could benefit? Please let me know so we can create a content-rich webinar program that's going to serve your needs. Thank you again, Coach Kalu here. I hope you're healthy. Take care of yourself and each other.